Hello viewers, if you have bought iPad 10th generation or any other iPad, and if you are a student, you will definitely need an Ipencil, whether it is original pencil or third-party Ipencil. In this video, I will talk about this third-party Ipencil that I have bought from Amazon.in. This is Kingone Ipencil. Actually, it is a third-party Ipencil and it costs around 1.2k during offers. So this is a very cheap and affordable Ipencil that you can grab, and the note-taking experience using this Ipencil is excellent. As you can see here, there is no latency on this Ipencil, plus you will have a very good experience of writing on iPad using this pencil. Actually, Apple's Note app is very feature rich, and if you are a student, you will not need any other app. However, if you want high-end note-taking experience, you can download good notes, but that is not free. You have to pay at around 1000 rupees for 1 year. Actually, I thoroughly enjoy using this pencil while writing on my iPad 10th generation, and also you can see that you can write with ease using this pencil. Actually, many users want to know whether this pencil is better than Amazon Basics pencil or DigiRoot pencil or ESR pencil or any other pencil. Actually, this is a very good pencil and you can attach this pencil on your iPad like this. Though the magnetic grip is not so solid, it feels very fragile while holding it on the top of the iPad. Now, if you want to remove the tip of this Ipencil, you can do that. At the bottom, you will get 3 more tips like this. So this is very convenient. If you accidentally break the nib of this Ipencil, you have another 3 options that you can use. Normally, the charging capacity of this Ipencil is very good, but if you want to charge this device, there is option of Type-C charging. As you can see here, this is the Type-C hole and this is the indicator of batteries. 3 indicator means the battery is full, and whenever there is a decrease in battery, the indicators will be switched off, and whenever there is 1 indicator, it will show that the battery is at the end point, so you have to charge it. Now, using this pencil, you cannot slide like this. You have to use your fingers, and even you can not drop down the notification panel. However, you can do all the things. If you try to pull down the notification panel, you cannot do that using this pencil. So these are 2 drawbacks of this pencil. Otherwise, it's a very good pencil to write on your iPad. Then I tried using some videos on YouTube, and actually you can control anything on the screen using your pencil. It feels very convenient. As you can see here, the touch response is excellent using this pencil, so you will have no problem whatsoever, and usually I get around 5 to 6 days battery life, though I don't use it too much. So in the conclusion, if you are looking for a third-party Ipencil, you can definitely buy this Kingone Ipencil. This is really a value for money product. In offers, you can buy this at around 1.2k. So if you want to buy this Ipencil, link will be in the description. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. And if you want to know more about tablets and smartphones, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.